driving down the back roads, packing up the right tools, hoping that his money is enough to make a deal. Time to get the shovels out, jack it up and get it out. Always on the lookout for some German steel. We pushed cars around, they were lost and now we're found. Mostly won't make where the ground, Lord.
He is infatuated with what's inside. You gonna pop it in that little slot right there? Put it up top. There you go. We're in. Horseshoes, heat exchangers, tins. Gotta get that press bumper out of there. That's the rear bumper. All right for the bear trap, huh?
Yep.
What's your thumb? You just stuck your thumb right in that thing.
Oh.
I'm not a very good parent. Everything VW into one tote. Planer. Dropped it. Planer.
Oh, planer?
VW. I want to show that in the VW tote. Take a tote out. There you go.
Red.
Red rocker.
A bunch of horseshoes.
VW. I got the VW box right here. Let's just put this. Oh, it's a little motor oil. Falling apart. Grab it from the bottom. You're gonna lose it. Oh, that's a cool light. Model T, Model A. That's busted. Tail light, old tail light.
Oh, this is another one.
Oh, look at that. Wow, that's cool. Guys, you'll have to, oh, Ford, there it is, see? Ford.
Oh, yeah.
So I'm having a spectacular day. The White Mountains are right in our background. I'm out here with my son on a beautiful, sunny, mid-December day. Even Musty One's coming later, so it's a perfect day. Perfect day. All those horseshoes.
Yep.
You got some axles, VW axles. I'll put those to the side. You never saw an axle before, have you?
Nope.
Yeah.
Oh, another hubcap in that corner.
Yeah?
Coke
Keep
pot.
digging.
That's VW, right?
Yeah. Rocker arms. Got an engine in there. Oh, looks like a 36 horse in there. See the neck? See the neck?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, your favorite.
This is a clutch.
Yep.
This is a clutch, right?
Yep, VW. Oh, we got a taillight. Who knows in the comments what this taillight's to? Battery, cover,
Oh, I didn't
Volkswagen.
even know that.
Sleeping on me, you're sleeping on me. Another axle. Got a breast tin, little breast tin right there, and a rectifier.
Oh, an iron!
What do you got? Oh, and
Oh, yeah!
shocked you knew what that even was. Trivia, what year? It's a Steam-O-Matic, Sandusky, Ohio, and Bridgeport, Connecticut.
Oh, no,
What we got? Oh, we got bus. Here we go. Fried eggs. I think you guys call these.
Oh, engine thingy, whatever these things are called.
Front breast tin. More of those tail lights. That's Volkswagen. That's the bumper.
That is?
Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, that light, man. Those are cool, huh? Oh, there you go. Oh, check that out.
What does it say on it?
Don't breathe that in. Old can stuck in there.
What does that say?
It says, oh, it's dairy, Andover, Mass. Shawshea Dairy.
Like a milk thing? A thing of milk?
Yeah, that's cool. Thermostat. Rectifier. I mean, look at this. Musty one's on his way. We gotta, what do you think? What are you thinking?
Oh, will it run?
Will it run? There you go. It took you long enough. This is Volkswagen. What year is it?
I'm gonna guess 50.
It's a little low on oil.
50. Yeah.
50 what?
58.
58?
Mhm.
Isn't there a wire brush on the front floor? We'll have to wire brush that. You're gonna guess 58?
Yep. 58.
All right, well, I hope you're right. I think the bus is a 58.
Oh.
So we've got our engine tins for our 36. Josh has a new saw. Oh, look at
I
that.
wanna go use that.
What's that say? Can you read that? That's antique.
Hold on.
Love this old stuff.
Let's see.
So, press bumper looks mangled.
Philadelphia.
Apron looks like a seat. Shrouds in there. Another seat. I see another seat back there. We got some glass. That's sweet. Philadelphia.
Yep.
No live trees. Cool old bottle.
Wow, that's really dope.
Well, it's not really made for that wood either. Let's see. Got an air cleaner in here. Oh, nice. That's an early one. VW pile. Early hubcap. Got a pulley. There's that Dizzy. Early 36 Dizzy. Engine pulley. What's your guess on that? Part of a transmission. Headlight. Alright, let's get this. It's out of a van, maybe? You can just flip it over and roll it if you want. Looks like this is our transmission. There you go. I'm not sure there's a tranny in this, as I'm finding the engine,
Parts.
the axles.
Gears.
Yeah. Uh-oh, that's jackpot.
Whoa.
Double clip. I thought it was earlier than that. Single clip. That one's coming home. Oh, I thought it was a snowflake.
Oh.
That was a snowflake. Cool taillight though. Anyone? What's it fit? Anyone?
I don't know.
Cool taillight though.
Yeah, it is.
It's a nice hubcap. Coming home. Matching taillight to whatever that taillight was. That Ford didn't make it.
Is that the...
That's the rear bumper. That's your first press bumper right there, Josh. 59, they went to the bumper, you know.
Yeah.
It's not the early apron though, because the early apron would have the keyway for the crank start. Bunch of old mirrors. Ton of old mirrors. Guys, what are they off of? Ford. Somebody like mirrors. Oh, this is cool. There you go.
Oh, that's cool.
Guys, what's it off of? I'm embarrassed to say. I don't know. See the feet and everything?
Mm-hmm.
That's an awesome piece right there. Here's our old floor mat. This one's actually intact. Not as old as those other ones, but...
Yeah.
How's it looking?
Good. And then you just gotta dig this out to get the door open.
Oh, it's soft, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, watch the paint, buddy.
Oh, it's frozen right at the door.
Of course it is. You'll get it. Just get under it. Winter or summer?
Well, if it was summer, it'd be like it was really wet in there.
A lot of bugs. Remember the bugs?
Oh, that was bad.
That was bad. Yeah, you didn't survive out here with the bugs.
No.
No, your dad did though. Had to.
Bad.
Oh, all the layers are coming off. Maybe I should have just crawled in, but I think it'd be easier to get these.
Nasty. I'm gonna crawl through all of that, like.
Yeah. There it is.
Hey, I hit the door.
Oh, you're hearing things, son.
Alright.
Oh, you want in now?
Yeah. Oh, we gotta get it up. Yeah, right there. Oh, that's why you can't.
There it is. That's the hinge.
Alright.
Oh, there goes the glass.
Oh.
Wow, this way where it glows, huh? Could
Yeah.
have cut me wide open.
Just
You would
like.
have had to drive.
Mhm.
Standard shift, that would have been interesting, huh?
Yep.
I mean, you've driven before, but... Alright, put it in first. All the way over and then up. Just let it out really slow. Super slow until you feel it grab. Keep going. What do you... Alright, easy on the throttle. Easy. It's easy on the throttle. Alright, dude, you're driving. How is it?
Great.
Wow, this is like a CT first drive. Didn't see that last time. What do you, hold the camera steady there. Crazy.
Well, I mean, I was trying to like show everything.
Give him a chance. Go ahead, go in there. Can you see it?
Mhm.
It's down there.
Yeah, it's right in
Slow with the camera.
there. I got it.
Sorry, guys. There's the 36. Josh is a little exuberant with the camera. There's the rest of our tranny. I don't think that door is opening.
Nope.
Yeah, why don't you back up? Oh, that's good.
Okay.
Here, come get a better look.
Oh yeah, right in there.
Got a deck lid in here. Here's the, that's like,
Oh wow.
yeah, the stuff's, it's like stuck, frozen in there. There's our transmission, reduction boxes. Still don't know what all these carbs are. You guys could help me out on that. Got your other 36 horse engine. Let me, you want to hold that, bud? I'll try to.
Yeah.
Kinda stuck. Oh, there's a plate on it too.
Really?
Yeah. It's stuck on a cylinder head of all things down there. See the cylinder
Oh
head?
yeah, and that thing is
Oh, I can't move that. Oh, there it is.
66.
Is it, oh, that's the one I think we found, the other one.
Oh really?
Yeah, remember the one that fell out?
Yep.
66. Might even have an old dealer sticker on it. I mean, just the mud alone in this thing
Yeah.
is gonna weigh it a lot. Yeah, I don't know about with this thing. Coming out in one piece with all this weight in it. That's a lot of weight. A lot of weight. Yeah, it's like frozen in there. Frozen in there, guys. I'm taking my seat back on my deck lid and I'm going home. What do you think, Foreman? What's his name again?
Billy Bob Joe.
Billy Bob Joe.
Still, his arms are kind of falling off, but...
Let's grab some parts and let's hit the road.
Alright, good?
Leave it on.
Alright.
Just survey the damage.
Okay. Yeah, that's a big dent. Let me see that. So, like, I don't know if you can see this, but oh wow. But like, there's all this like dirt in here, like, cause a river or like a stream kind of flowed through this, like down between the buses and everything, and like you got a bunch of like sediment in it, and this is like frozen stuff, and now it's like absolutely like frozen, like I don't even know how to explain it. Oh, there's a cylinder head back in there somewhere. Right there. I don't know if you can see it in there. Oh yeah, there's part of some of our transmission down in there. But I mean, all this other stuff is just like frozen in here. Oh, look at that color. Nice and blue still. So it was definitely a blue bus. It's cool. Oh god, it stinks in there. Woo. Yep, we cut, there's this big tree, and it went all the way back there. We cut all that up. But yeah, that's what we're trying to get out, and well, as you can see, we gotta like get this thing out, which is like, you can't even see the wheels, if there even are any. And like, a ton of weight too, and it's like falling apart, so like, try to get it out, I might just like snap in half or something. So I mean, but yep, that's what we're going for, that 15 window deluxe. And I know that thing's buried too.
Musty One actually found the emblem. The door was right here laying up against this. I was wondering about that. Did it rot off? Yeah, it did. Anyway, so I missed it. He moved the door and the emblem was down there in the stream. So I do have the emblem for it. Let's see what we got in the oh, holy mousage. Clorox. That's the mouse nest of all mouse nests, Josh. Oh, you're gonna see right here.
Oh my gosh. What is that, like the king was in
That's a
there?
big one.
Where's the stick? We'll poke at it.
All right, be back for you, 15 window. We need to get this 58 out of here first. Hopefully we can back the trailer in. If not, even pull this, drag it, get this out, and then back the trailer into here, and then get this 15 window out of here. Really? Oh, there's the tire. I couldn't see that before, I think, because the water was up there. See if there's any more goodies in here. Not really. Some old air horns. 60, 62, 62,000. Must have 162. That's gonna do it. It's gonna be dark soon, so we need to try to get cleaned up, get loaded up. Huge thank you to you guys for dropping in, and my son, who at 9:30 last night asked what vehicle we were driving up here. I'm like, you're going? And he didn't want to get a cabin up here. He's like, no, let's just go up, get it done, drive home. Yeah, because who's going to be asleep on the way home? Him. And I'll be like... We found some cool stuff, so we're going to get it loaded up. We did make some progress. We at least got the tree off the bus. It's looking good. Who am I kidding? Is it looking good?
Yeah, it's looking good.
It's looking like we might have to drag it out to get it, the trailer in here. I don't think there's a tranny in it, so there's a lot of mud in it. It's going to be heavy.
What about wheels?
Wheels on the bus go around and around, but yeah, there's no wheels, so then we got to get the 15 window. Fingers crossed. That's going to be solid. Part 1, bus is in the stream. That's where we're at. So make it a great week, and we'll see you soon. Take care, guys.
Take care.
Get your girl.
Oh yeah. No, I didn't.
You did. I saw it.
No, I didn't.
You did. You touched him.
No, I didn't.
You did.
No, I
Guilty.
didn't. No, I didn't.
I would have done the same thing.